Greetings from Infra Engineers India, a star export house for used equipment duly accredited by the Government of India. Hyundai Korea has been manufacturing equipment in India for over a decade now and is having a major market share in the country. Hyundai is producing and supplying excavators of various tonnage ranging from 6 tons to 50 tons and is exporting across the world. Infra Engineers India has been in the used construction equipment industry for over a decade, signifying its expertise in all aspects of the product. The company carefully procures used construction equipment domestically and executes the refurbishment process with a team of over 190 dedicated workforce in their workshop. After refurbishment, the equipment is exported proficiently across the globe. The speciality of the company is that they deal with multi-brand equipment catering to various requirements of the customer. We have exported over 200 Hyundai excavators of various models and have major clients in Africa and Southeast Asia. Infra Engineers India also manufacture and export specialized excavator attachments like Slope Vibratory Compactor, Pad Foot Compactor, High Neck, etc. Our refurbished equipment have positive feedback and are working very well. The company receives repeated orders from the existing customers. We are proud to say that Infra Engineers India has joined hands with MHJ Heavy Equipment Trading Company Dubai, a leading used equipment dealer with more than 30 years of experience in the construction equipment industry in Middle East and Africa. MHJ is well known in the market to be specialized in used Hyundai equipment. MHJ always has about 25 to 30 units of used Hyundai equipment of various models at Dubai Sales Yard. With their association, we are confident that we will be able to export more than 300 used Hyundai equipment in the coming year. Please feel free to contact Infra Engineers India for any used construction equipment requirement.